Ebusan for aha Ghana 7 TV GH. Mesra or like a comment, a subscribing, never notification so turning on so that anytime you post a video, it is a way I will start make a be. Ebusan for
so some of us before being in a beer, no way muna acquaint say, ye could be honorable Kennedy Japonchi. But me no say, and I make an obia or dog MPP party ni beer or sis or no. On to about my Dr. Bawumia, on to about my Dr. Bawumia, and then away Chelsea match. Because here was one constituency or Tema East. And some of the guys, you win you sure born you won't say born a baby na you started here the politics ba. And a guy back who be ready say oh Charlie, you see we Ken ye anything. It's a say argument. Oh, can I a better mano? Can I a better mano? And I'm here and I'm catching a senior. Share. Let me tell you one thing. Contest we are here kono. Say Dr. Bawumia inya 60 less than 60%. Me follow MPP. Also, oh, yeah there, yeah no say Dr. Bawumia be winning Nelson. Yeah constituency executive ne. Also omo constituency executive nti. Omo beto atia Dr. Bawumia on per se Dr. Bawumia lusu omo Tema East na Dr. omo chere omo constituency executives ne say omo ni power bia o constituency ho and I make and ke hor ma pa na me na chese muni Dr. Bawumia any problem ba kon o si ai o na Dr. Bawumia de na ba ko no o si na wa wo hwe Dr. Bawumia na wo hwe honorable Kennedy Japan one say president obia num say Dr. Bawumia is a presidential material or no gasa uhun say oba you be na be catch say president na eba no then so you beto amaken because of your constituency executives ntaya pe na me catch say senior wo de bo ade ba ko pa Bawumia ya or de call opposition and as all ya enu ntigana fo anto abama no o se o na da say me na me nka say Dr. Bawumia yi bibia Dr. Bawumia nya hwe me Dr. Bawumia me hu ni da Dr. Bawumia on disappoint me da Dr. Bawumia on kan chem so be wi ama me no nye ye da minimum no na mo me si me constituency executives nti me ne me call for ye work constituency mo ye delegate na ye beto atia Dr. Bawumia because of the constituency chairman and the constituency secretary or Tema East.
I don't know a problem.
I'm telling you.
Bawumia say ono obi nti say we say won to abama na jai nipa no ne bra ne beto abama no na ono oba o de one constituency 10 appointment na afi omo
na yankasa ye party for yankasa ye party for greedy bastards na Charlie upon your manya upon your manhu upon your monsaka nyina no na chese de Dr. Bawumia ye nyina no na nipa da seni pulling it down because contract bi ho no ma onipa da seni person no ko an onya ya farmer no nti ya farmer ne dia na me contest no because ye nyina ye wo ha no nyina ye no say honorable Ken ye wa ye interview be 5 times so ka say ono de president do de yeden president you go chop no anya pre woni sika see ito no krompo de no obia mpo ni ho no ma o expect say obe dama kra obe ba krompo say oba be contest and ye ni yodium no keka nsem and all to nipa and all de ba unim no krasem ba ko ewo bi say hwe politics na ye no some of us be brina ye ntiase ye akiri keke unim ni ntia we that first elections no Kennedy Japan enya more votes no because that time no na ekofo bebre buafu appointees national executive regional executive constituency executive ena ekufo ado nankasa no nankofo edwar ye say on chenyu kenoforiata oso on pese obeye onye reshuffle on pese obeye onye we on pese obeye to nankofo buafu it is a who the obedi actually body ya na ye mpe no ye betu atia no. So a lot of people voted against Dr. Bawumia, and I was part. My brother, I was part. Say, I minimum how you see for na background or no, a picture na. Eka, mebo modia searching picture. Yang me, me no say. Me one of about 3 guys. There be 2 guys near yeah 3, and you kushia honorable Ken. So na honorable Ken can why 4. And a lead the social media team. I'm telling you, I was of Canada, Japan for the previous presidential primaries. No, that 2022 to 2023. No, here's our situation where you woman Obia or say or pay MPP and I saw do MPP. How did Canada, Japan be? Sani pano ikushini situation woman. So also ope MPP pa na supporto Canada Japan Canada Japan we kushini is serious o supporto Canada Japan in this situation we kushini only part 2024 election a year call he was part of our defeat okoka NDC for a lot of our MPs omulusu ye nyina oka ho and be exposing no A plus be exposing and saying so be kaya e bia wo hwe that video no A plus be kan say o honum na honorable kan friend say na MPP for this kaba baby o won nti see o ka che no it na so no so eye word no so top it up ewo na yi ni constituency say the be ya obetumi aman kofo no more money na ode win seat no eye mobo na wo akọ primaries na se wa lusu a na wa ko interview ni ebusa wo say eti da bi some tampo no lusu ye na contest na no mo so no bia aso bia ko campaign na ase okọ we no na ebusa no say eti sisi ano say olusu primaries na obeti ni party na so be o si da bi on to the party, but obeti MPP for. And I'm penny a week or 2 weeks, or let's say a month to the NDC and the big media media stations anyway, TV stations anyway. Canada Japan, a voice in any video, Kwan ye you baby. Our bashi Bawumia. And a Bawumia you see, and a Bawumia you see, and a Bawumia you see, and a Bawumia you see. Unia, but I dare ye say, some of us, and I say, yeah, MPP for, any Ghana for, ye ni say, she, Tama Dr. Bawumia, vice president. Me fan say, can be 2 years, so say, let's say 1 year to 2 year, 2 years to election. Say doctor, it may resign as vice president in the year or resign. But you know, MPP so party bia Charlie and Fabonin Joe. Say Dr. Bawumia and Nema na ekoso ewo ya ben mu. Gabi ochire da kono ni we no mu ya. Akwaje so mo na omo ye vice president na o ma beje adwuma na free Dr. Bawumia ansem no. Akwaje say omo mo kan obi enka bi no. Say that time no. And anka Nema we ya eka Dr. Bawumia resign as vice president. But on to me, any party name man. Now even though Krampotamo make a decision say or per se or resign as a vice president, no, not threatening message any other idea. Naturally, kosono Emma doctor no. Anka be crampa or resign cry bianca by this time cranky bianca. Minya sure sanky bianca or tiase cry. It was there be party I don't see. wo de me enko na emu no emre ne so say say ihu ne ebe ya ibehu ne ebe ya ebe cross nsuo no kakra na President Akufo-Addo ne riduma ebe wiye nti say doctor enso be take mantle no ne de koye nim obi enu no woka se mintua 10 ana 1 city ana se we mantua hwe prospectus ekodi wo school mu ho a me koto toye me ne me ba no me de ne tira kaa mu me koto toma no ye de gu kaa mu ye we time so ya be de ne ko school mantua 1 dam ene NDC ba power yi almost sisi afi de ntua PTA ana PTA no mo de ha nipa ana every way bia ana PTA 500 Ghana ana PTA ana sisi ano akwala omo wie school for almost that Akufo-Addo buy is almost 8 years in Akufo-Addo buy obi awie school entua PTA entua hwe entua you say they almost say just say oh the me ayade a menim the way I the background we ni aka me the way ni kire me ba no ese ne ma me almost say niam aye metuatua oh we wie school nti bill say wa omo de ma ye metua ukote sa asem we bi wai chale eti me no mo kasai ene free SHS nanko pompe ena ye mom pa yensre no se ebeka ho because the way niam ekoko idie ene the way niam aye idie menua aje se nyame bam into the voice to aso emrepa no munam so ma
journalist.
I am.
Have you asked Honorable Uyetwa Blakwa this same question?
Honorable,
When he said that, have you asked him?
of course,
No,
when
let
that
me ask you
happened,
a
we
question.
have. But I'm
You
saying
have to ask him.
this is what we are treating now.
The problem I have in Ghana, and I've said it on radio, I've said it on Okusi several times, on Joy News PM, I've said this, that the problem I have is the hypocrisy in the system. The hypocrisy, especially with media people, chiefs, and sometimes pastors.
But Honorable, were you expecting us to allow you to go scot-free after making that statement? We shouldn't even query you. We shouldn't ask you questions. We should just allow you to go scot-free.
But the point I'm trying to ask you is that, for me, what did I do when I said that? I came back to say something. Did I say something? Did I? I said something about after that. Yeah. Hello.
I'm here with you, please.
No, we are having a conversation.
Sure.
Except you don't want me to also talk.
No, please,
then
please do.
I will stop talking because we are having a conversation and a very civil one. My point is that nobody pushed me to say that. Oh, I think I went very far.
Right.
So that, but I'm just asking you a question. You as a media person, and that's the problem I have in this country now. All of a sudden, NDC has come, so every media person is dancing to the tune of NDC. Whatever NDC,
Honorable.
let me finish.
Okay,
Excuse me, let me
please
finish,
finish.
please. Whatever NDC does that is bad is good in their eyes. My point is that Honorable Blakwa said something similar. No media house in the Ghana knew the story at that time, said all those kind of things, what they said to me. I'm not by that justifying my action. I told you earlier on that I'm not justifying, but my point is that there are two templates that you want. If you want to solve a problem, what you have to do that the measure you use to hit some or to address an issue, you have to use the same measure to also address another issue of similar importance. But when you treat one differently, then people will have issues with you. That's the point I'm making. That's the point I'm making, because the point is that I was expecting all those media people talking plenty to have used the same energy because Okuyeta Blakwa, my brother in Parliament, is now a minister for foreign affairs. He is in power. So now all those people, including you yourself and other people, they are afraid of him. They can ask him. They can't even query him and ask him to apologize. They can't even query him and say all those things that he said to me, to him. They can't.
Okay,
I'm
not too sure about.
These people, that's the truth.
I'm not too sure about journalists being afraid of Honorable Okudzeto. I'm not too sure about your statement that we are afraid of him. I'm not too sure about that. But it's fine. Let's proceed. I mean, that's.
We can move on. Let's address the issue. Let's
okay.
finish.
Please finish.
My point that what he said, was it different from what I also said? We almost said the same thing, but nobody hit him with a hammer. You know, He's the
Interesting.
Minister of Foreign Affairs, so we can't talk about him.
Interesting.
I said something similar, and everybody think that I've killed human beings. But people do have even murdered children. That's what I'm saying. Because that's what people did to me. It calls to, and it's as if I've committed serious murder. But the William Black one did this almost the same thing, and he was left off the hook to go.
Okay,
Is that fair?
that's fine. That's
That's
fine.
not
I mean,
fairness.
that's fine. I mean,
The politics that we are doing is not normal. And what is going on is not normal.
1.5 million vote difference.
Hey, seven. It's not normal. And one year Opia Sa Angles for Betmaya. Opia, all the boys is a weird land guard or weird street boys who or where they can reach out to them. And win power. It's not about who folk will be a worker. And me, when I become the next national organizer, by the grace of God, I will not be on radio and TV to talk. And time me addressing the nation to be like, yeah, Papa, Nanado, fellow Ghanaians. They fly at Jesse Moses Bekasa. Everybody will be at their house just to watch and listen to what I want to say. And my speech will be like 5-10 minutes, and it's going to be wisdom because I will gather evidence and I will know what to tell Ghanaians. But my deputies can do those things. What am I going to do already anyway? I mean, the answer of the only thing, I mean, Bambekasa. Now, me the bomb never took any me being your national organizer, mind you, main appointment, the next government. As a national organizer alone, it's okay. You know that you want to be a government appointee. I will lead you and make sure, say, my people will get some place. So that before phone, one vote, I'm a flow, say, I'm a contractor. What my idea? I'm a contractor.